us to get paid. Stay grinding, you gotta get it. Wednesday is hump day, my H-time Monday, go get it. Yeah, Thursday, y'all, that's hot day. Yesterday, I kick it with my baby. Friday come around, everybody, it's time to catch your chance. Y'all spirit. Saturday, it's a late play. Gotta get God hands of praise. Stop the sun rays. When the sun comes down, I just move off the street. Living this life, living this life. This game be good to me. Living this life, living this life. This game be good to me. Whenever y'all see me, it ain't hard to tell I'm from Texas. Living this life, living this life. This game been good to me.
It's a perfect day, won't you know that you see snap? Put one in the air and go ahead and enjoy it. It's a perfect day.
Oh, I person try to throw me something together in the kitchen. I don't know what I'm. You know, I gotta have my peppers. I gotta have my peppers. I gotta have them hot peppers too, man. I love me some hot peppers. No, I'm gonna try to do some little cilantro later on. I'm gonna do me some tacos, but yeah, might have to get some of these green onions. Something real quick. These green onions cut up. Cut these edges off of it. Chop these away. Chop, 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 chop. Make these things little chunks of them. I don't like them too small because it's going to shrink as I cook it. Some of these leftover bell peppers. Some of these leftover bell peppers. Ain't nothing wrong with them. Store them good, you know, they still feel the same. Chop, chop. Yeah. What y'all cook today? What y'all cook this morning? What you do for yourself? Add that spice to it. Woo! Jalapenos. Jalapenos. I'm gonna do half. I can't. I like spicy. Okay. Woo! This burning my eyes. Okay, got my little mix together. That's my little mix. Yeah. Had to turn the heat up on it. Yeah. Now, Finna wait till it heat up and start cooking, and then I'm gonna mix it in, and then I'm gonna add my sauces to it. See, on these pans here, they flat. They have a hump in it. So what I like to do is just hit the corners. I'll move it over. Then it'll get that. You know what I'm saying? Then, when you're ready to do the other one, move it like that. So then it'll even out. You know what I'm saying? So it won't just be in the middle. Yeah. Baby spinach. Yeah. Breakfast for a champ, man. Put a little bit of time into it, man. It all come together, you know what I'm saying? Got them tomatoes, got the Prego on the side. I tried to make it pretty, but I'm not really all into all that. But hey, look at what your boy working with, man. Yeah. Man, when I tell you this is good, man, I be throwing down. You eat from the outside and work your way in. You know what I mean? I get with the best of them, man. Real talk. Y'all better. No.
Living this life, this game is good to me. Living this life, this game is good to me. Whenever y'all see me, it ain't hard to tell I'm from Texas. Living this life, this game is good to me.
It's a perfect day, won't you go let your seats back? Put one in the air and go ahead and enjoy it. It's a perfect day, we're go let your seats back. Put one in the air and go ahead and enjoy it.
If you miss the free throw, our long shot, come back harder, gon' hit the jump shot. Now you hot, don't stop, candy red slab will come through for sure and bleed the block. It ain't hard to tell, I'm from Texas, I culture different. Really something special. I can work the wood grain wheel, pull a boat, ride swingers, the two steeds against the candy paint, show the flash. Press the beast to our Texas legends. All big, mo, fat pack, that's how we rap that. MC, see struggles, Dallas veterans. Life is short, so won't you count your blessings? Yeah. Come on, tops drop in Texas, man. I done been through Texas rains. Lone Star State, don't ride with me. Don't you mess with Texas, man. Texas blood run through my veins. Texas born, Texas raised. Downhill, we Texas made.
It's a perfect day, won't you go let your seats back? Put one in the air and go ahead and enjoy it. It's a perfect day to go let your seats back. Put one in the air and go ahead and enjoy it. It's a perfect day to go let your seats back. DJ Screw in the deck, bone and screw chop that. It's a perfect day to go and let your six pack. Put one in the air and go and jump your fat pad.